Welcome to our second round of two-digit by two-digit multiplication the traditional algorithm way. Here's the vocabulary. I know it's the same as last time, but you really need to understand this vocabulary and make sure that you give an example and a non-example of this. So a factor is one of two or more numbers that are multiplied together to get a product. They are fewer. Multiple, this is the number you land on when you count, and there's many of them. So have your recording sheet out and make sure that you record this on your recording sheet. Remember, if you lose your recording sheet, it is available on my teacher website. Let's get started. How do we multiply? So first, you always go ones place times the ones place. So I know that I need to, first of all, you need to be practicing your basic facts, which is on your homework. And so you need to be able to do 9 times 7, which is 63. So I'm going to write down the 3 right here. I'm not going to write the 6 because that does not go here. It gets floated up here, and you can put a plus sign next to it. 8 times 7 is going to be 56 plus 6 is going to be 62 because I do ones place times the tens place plus the number on top. So I'm going to write the number 2 and I'm going to write the number 6 because now I'm moving to a different place. I am done with this. I am done with this. Put your smiley face down here at the bottom, and then you are going to go tens place times the ones place. I know 9 times 4 is 36. I'm not going to write the 3 down here. I'm going to float it up here, and I'm going to put a plus sign next to it. 8 times 3 is 32, plus 3 is going to be 35. So I'm going to write 35 right here. I'm going to put a plus sign to add these. 3, 6, 7, 8, 5, that's 11, 4. So my answer to 89 times 47 is 4,183. If you go over here and estimate, 8 times 4, that's 32, and then put 2 zeros on the end because I'm really doing 80 times 40. So am I close? Yes, I'm close to it. So that's how you know if your answer is reasonable or not. Let's go over here. If I have 7 times 5, 1 times 1 is 35. And then I'm going to carry the 3. And I'm going to put a plus sign so I remember that I'm adding that. 7 times 7 is 49, 46, 47, 48. Now I'm going to write the whole number 48. I'm going to put a happy face right here. And then I'm going to do 5 times 2. Because I am done with this and I am done with this. So 10 times 1 is 10, carry the 1. 10 times 10 plus this is next. 7 times 2, which I'm really doing 7 times 20. 70 times 20 is 14 plus 1. That's going to be 15. And then I'm going to add 5, 8, 9, and 1. So the answer to 75 times 27 is going to be, oh wait, I think I made a mistake, sorry. 75 times 27, I made a mistake in here somewhere. So 5 times 5 is 35, 49, 46, 47, 48. Bring down the 0, 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1, 14, 15, 5, 8, 9, 1. No, I don't think that I made a mistake. Let me check on my calculator. It's showing me that I made a mistake somewhere. Oh, I know when I made the mistake. 49 plus 3 is 49, 50, 51, 52. That's where I made my mistake. See, teachers make mistakes all the time too. 52. So this is going to be a 2, this is going to be a 10, and this is going to be carried Now my answer is correct. So I have 2025. Okay, let's do our last one. 7 times, or 4 times 0. Ones times ones. Well, that's 0. 4 times 1, that's 4. Sometimes you can have a 2-digit number there, just like I'm showing you right now. Then I'm going to bring down my happy face. And then I'm going to do 7 times 0, 10 times 1s, 0. 1s times, or 10 times 10s is 7. And then I'm going to add 0, 4, and 7. So I know that 7 times 10, or 70 times 10, 70 times 10 is going to be 700. I am not off from that at all, so my answer is reasonable. So I wanted to make sure that you got a second round to practice 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication because it is tough. Make sure you're checking to see if your answers are reasonable, and if you have any questions, you can always come back and ask one of your teachers. Have a great day.